In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create text fields with tkinter. Hello humans, I'm Kyle and welcome to Code for Humans, the channel dedicated to leveling up your coding skills. If you're just joining us, the stuff you see on the screen is explained in the first video, but basically all we have is a very simple window with a label on it. And I'll show you that now. So our end goal today will be to create a label that tells the user to type in their name, and then we'll create an entry field that allows the user to type in their name, and underneath that we'll have a button, and when we press that button, we'll pull the name that they typed in, and then we'll say hello plus their name. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to make a new label, and I'll say LBL name, and that's equal to tkinter.label, and it's going on my root GUI, and the text is please enter your name. So then I'm just going to pack this. We'll keep it quick and dirty. And then I'll make an entry field. So personally, when I make an entry field, I like to call the first three letters of it txt. That way when I'm reading the variable name, I know that I'm dealing with a text field. So I'll say txt name is equal to tkinter.entry. Entry only takes one thing. What GUI is this going on? And that's my root GUI. Then I'll just pack it like I did before. So txtname.pack. I just want to place it below my label name. And then I'm going to make the button. So btn print name. And that is equal to tkinter.button. This is going on my root GUI. The text is, let's just say print name. And then for the command, and I'll put this on its own line, command will be equal to get name. So this will be a function that we haven't made yet, but we'll do that in just a second. And lastly, we need to pack button print name. So let's create get name. So we'll come up here and I'll say define the function get name. And then name is going to be equal to whatever I called my entry field. So txt name dot get. So the get function is built into all entry widgets. And basically what it does is it takes whatever I typed into the text field and stores it into name. So then all I'm going to do is say print hello name. So let's run this. Now we can see I have, this is my title, please enter your name. I'll enter my name, I'll say my name is Kyle, and then I'll click print name. And now I see hello Kyle print out over here. Let's say my name was Chad. If I hit print name again, now I can see hello Chad print out. So that's how you create text fields. You just say tkinter.entry and tell it what GUI to go on. When you're ready to pull the information from it, you give a button a command, and within that function, you need to call .get. As always, a big thank you for liking, subscribing, and ringing that bell. Comment below with suggestions for future videos, and I will see you in the next one.